Additional information this evening from the government about how they choose small businesses, such as community shops, to benefit from the generators distributed post-Melissa. The Industry and Commerce Minister, Orbin Hill, updated the nation while addressing the Senate on Friday. Details in this report.
Who is getting what? A key question being asked by stakeholders observing the state's Melissa aid distribution. Particular interest is in the generators. The government has received several which were donated by international partners. Prior to Melissa, a medium-sized generator sold for about $200,000. Now, those sizes are being sold by some suppliers for over $500,000. So, for many, it is cheaper at this stage to get one from the government. Industry Minister Orbin Hill gave an update Friday on how the machines have been distributed.
Here we are delivering generators in parts of St. James. We actually started in South St. James and right across to deliver generators so that small shops who do not have power, they can't buy chicken because they have no refrigeration, no freezer, they can't sell cold drinks. We provided them with generators until the JPS power returns.
He also outlined the other criteria considered for getting the generators.
Firms like Wysinco, Carimed, Jamaica Broilers, and Lasco, I thank them all, and there are others, but I pick out these because they knew and they know the shops that are performing and are vital in communities where they operate. Because we're going to go in and try and restart businesses, we had to pick the leading shops where people would go and people would buy lots of their stuff from. We had many teams going out. As I said, 221 volunteers. We didn't instruct them, volunteers from the ministry that got involved.
Given the safety issues, including deaths around generator use post-Melissa, the minister stressed safety was a priority during the installation.
The Bureau of Standards engineers tested the generators and went with us to make sure that they were properly deployed. And in collaboration with private sector firms, we formed a vital part of the assessment process.
The minister also explained that key commercial hubs such as Border Food Stop along the Westmoreland-St. Elizabeth crossing has also received accelerated repair work. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness recently disclosed that more than 600 generators are now in store to be distributed to small businesses currently without electricity. Prince Moore, TVJ News.